Alright, it's your boy Nearly back in the button to show you what do I use and how do I do it. Let's get right to it.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, Tony for a 12 fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get lazy.
Alright, first, I'm gonna show you what do I first use to brush that out. I use this to see correctly at my crown, like when you put that effort in it and you just brush away. This the brush I use as a hard brush. I don't know, it got so soft it's hardened up, but because of the water probably. So I use this wave cap when I do a washing style, when I put it over my head to keep some kind of conditioner on my head for like an hour so it can moisten up in there. I use the Dollar Do-Rag to lay my hair down, and the other wave cap I used. And currently I'm not using it right now. I will be using they call it a boo-boo cap. I don't currently have it with me right now, but that's what I use for extra compression when I'm going to sleep. So, and I use this, a Dollar Do-Rag, when this one came into. So I use that. So that's what I use to lay my hair down. So, and this what I use currently. I don't use it approximately every time when I do a brush session. I just say it's bad for your hair. You put too much, you go bald. So currently our hairs don't look like this no more. They need to really change it. I only have one on the side for waves, but I'm not currently going to be using it. Probably buy a new one. So let me put everything back. I'm going to show you what shampoo, what conditioner I use, and what to make my hair smell good. I'm going to be back with y'all in a minute. So this is what I use for shampoo. It's shampoo, Bro shampoo. I got another one because just in case this one runs out. All that stuff in there. Use this for conditioner. Says hair plus body wash, complete freshman. This one I was doing this. I'm currently doing a Dollar Tree challenge, and I picked up these. And I use this for smell because I like the way it smells. It's like and plus it says clean and to relax your hair. So, and I like it because it's like a cinnamon type smell. So let's do a wave check. A little brush session for y'all real quick. And I'm gonna show you how I use it and stuff. So let's
Little way. Yeah, let's get it though. How you gonna say something happy, but it never happened? Every time something happen, I always get cats like it. But when I say,
alright, it's looking okay right now. I gotta see in the mirror. Okay. It's looking alright. I'm not gonna complain about it. And probably y'all gonna probably get mad at me because how my waves are coming out there, I'm not liking them as much because I think I have to cut my hair. My nephew told me because my hair approximately grow fast, and I think it's because while the grease, the moisture, the shampoo, conditioner, and the thing that I put in my hair to smell good, suck it up, and then just lays on my hair, and it makes my hair grow fast. That's what I honestly think. So first, what I do for multiple straight wavers do it. They take the comb. I take this part, and I brush it back. Do a brush back session. I use this to brush it back too. Damp my water will. My hair with warm water. Then I do a little 2-minute comb session. Then a 5-minute brush session. With the water in my hair, I take this and put it in my hair. Do like this with it. So I take this, use this about like 5 to 10 minutes. Soft brush it in. And then I currently use this, the hard brush, to harden in. Then I use the comb to make sure it's down in my scalp, to make sure the pores pick it up. So then I rinse that out. So I use the conditioner, and I brush it with the soft 5-10 minutes. The shampoo, the hard brush 5 to 10 minutes, soft brush 5 to 10 minutes. Then in the middle of the 5 to 6 minutes, I put this in there. Then I just keep brushing it in. So I put my wave cap on, leave it on by an hour, or I just wash it out there. Then I take the wave cap off, make sure my hair is laying down with the paper bag method. Put the do-rag on, the silky one, because the cotton one will suck the products and stuff out of it. So I currently use the silky one, as I can see right here, the silky one. So it fits my big head. So this is the one I really use. The other ones I just use them for, just like a wave session, water washing style. When they want to dry, just put the do-rag on, and I put the boo-boo cap on top. Extra compression when I go to sleep, and I take it off when I wake up to do a brush session. I use the hard brush for a session, from the crown down, everywhere, sides, everywhere, crown down. I do that for almost 30 minutes to an hour in the morning. Then in the half of the day, from 30 minutes to an hour, and at nighttime for when it's dinner. So I don't know, y'all don't have to do it. I just do that because, as you can see, I see a lot of progress going on. I've been trying to, I've been doing weight since last Tuesday. Show you the picture of it right now. And I'm showing you the pictures, basically the transformation while I talk. So this is the first, second, third, and then fourth, and now. And I'm gonna put the video in now before, because I haven't been liking it. My nephew said I had to cut my hair. So that's what I use, and I'm gonna just put the do-rag back on so I can lay my hair down. So when it's my brush session, I can just take it off and start brushing. I'll get back with you when the do-rag is on. Alright, the do-rag is currently on right now. So again, before I do my washing style, I take the do-rag off, do 5 to 10 minute brush session, comb my hair out, do a brush up session, or just comb your hair out, damp your hair with water, put the shampoo, brush it in for 5 to 10 minutes, then make sure it's comb 2-minute session with, after doing your brush session for 5 to 10 minutes with the shampoo in your hair to make sure the product going down your hair, the shampoo. So rinse your hair out, put the conditioner like this because your hair is already down, comb out, so make sure the conditioner goes into your pores. So then you put this, I put what makes my hair smell good. So if you put something that make your hair smell good, then you can use that to make your hair smell good or to make your waves more shiny. Like I don't consider the Maire's pomade because it made my hair over curled, because my hair is naturally curly. I'm gonna put a picture of right there. My hair is naturally curly, so when it's short and then I just deck out, bounce back with the brush session, it automatically boom, I'm gonna get waves because it's basically curls lay down. So for all straight hair wavers, all of them, y'all can do the same process, but currently I'm a curly hair. I have curly hair when it's longer now, so it just lay down. So basically what I do with the conditioner, put the wave cap on. I put 2 on to make sure it's laid down. Stay on for an hour or just rinse it out. Then wait till your hair dries, take it off, brush session. But you gotta wait till your hair dry. You can't just right there and then. And plus, mainly people think if you do it, you then gonna bounce back. No, when it's dry, you have to put that work in. No matter what you do, that work in. No matter what, like 360 Jeezy said, put that work in. I'm telling you, you're gonna get best results if you do 30 minutes to an hour. Great results. 5 minutes, you get lazy with it. It's gonna show you're not helping it out too much, so it's gonna get lazy with you too and not procrastinate how much you want to do. So that's how I'll do it. So currently I'm not have no mirror. Well, I have mirrors in my hair right now. That's why I'm making my hair look over curled. So I'm gonna get back with y'all soon. It's your boy Nearly, and I'm out.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get laid.